Guys, you won't believe I turned off only one thing on YouTube Studio and my channel changed. Like, I got more than 500 subscribers in 2 weeks. Like, I didn't know about this. What? Okay, besties, in today's video, I want to share with you guys one settings you need to turn off on YouTube Studio to change the life of your channel. Yes, if you turn off these settings, YouTube will start recommending your videos, YouTube will start pushing out your videos, YouTube will start pushing your videos to more people will start getting to see your videos. Guys, I've been struggling to get subscribers. I've done a lot of things, like say this one, say that one, say that one, say that one, to get subscribers, but I wasn't getting subscribers. Only for me to turn off these settings few weeks ago, and I've gotten more than 500 subscribers. I've been getting subscribers, I've been getting watch so that's what I want to share with you guys today. This one particular thing that you need to turn off on YouTube Studio so that YouTube will start recommending and pushing out your contents. Okay, guys. So guys, you'll be going to YouTube Studio, but not the app, not YouTube Studio app. You'll not be using the app. You'll be using studio.youtube.com. Okay, so that's what you'll be using. So come on, let me show you on how to do this. Let's practicalize it. Let me show you. So guys, all you need to do is to go to your YouTube Studio. Okay, when you go to your YouTube Studio, please, it's not YouTube Studio app. Do not go on YouTube Studio app. Go to studio.youtube.com. okay, when you go to your YouTube Studio, click on channel customization. Okay, so you wait a little for it to open. Then when it opens, it is going to show you something like this. Go to home tab. You click on home tab and go to home tab. Now you're going to see a lot of things here. Go to for you. When you go to for you, you are going to see more settings. Okay, you click on it, more settings. So here, my own, I've turned it recently. Okay, I've turned it to recent content only. So you are going to, this thing is going to be on all content, like recommend all content. So it is going to be on this all content recommended. So change it to recent content only. Okay, so just bring it here. Before it is going to be here, do not keep it here, just bring it down. Recent content only. Okay, just put it on this recent content only. So if you haven't turned on your videos, your shorts and live streams on, you turn it on. But change this all content recommended, change it to recent content only, and you click done. Okay, YouTube is going to start recommending, pushing out all your contents out, because if your channel has passed a year, your watch hour is going to reduce. Okay, so you turn it on to recent content only, so that YouTube will push out your recent content only, because it's only the videos that you posted in the last 12 months, like 12 months, that matters. Okay, any video you have that have exceeded 12 months, like, it's not like those videos doesn't matter. If those videos started trending of recent, it matters. But what you need YouTube to push out for you are videos that you just posted within 12 months. Okay, so you just turn it on. When you are done, don't forget to click publish. Okay, if you don't click publish, YouTube is not going to set it. So don't forget to click publish. That's all, guys. Like, that's all. Do this and come and thank me later. This will help YouTube to start recommending your videos, to start pushing out your videos. Your videos are going to get that publicity. People are going to see your videos. People are going to watch. You're going to get subscribers and watch out. Like, guys, this is what I did, and YouTube push out my videos. Like, I've been getting subscribers and watch hour. So that's what I said. Let me share it with you guys, so that you guys will go and turn off these settings and turn the right ones on, so that you start getting that recognition that you need, and that will also help you to get monetized on YouTube. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure you subscribe and like. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. I like reading your questions. Okay, I will answer all your questions. So guys, also feel free to check out my videos, because I have very interesting videos that you need to watch that will help you to build your brand. Okay, so guys, see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye. Please like, subscribe, and share.